Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to add a watermark in Photoshop, a handy skill for protecting your images online. First, you need to open the image you want to watermark in Photoshop. Just go to File and click Open to select your image. Now, let's create watermark. So please go to File and then New, and then input in with 800 pixels, and then in height is 600 pixels, and transparent, and then click Create. Now click on the text tool and then click anywhere here inside the layer to create your watermark. So for example, the name of the watermark is Sample. And then click the check here. And let's adjust the watermark. And then after that, click on image and then select trim and click OK. So after trimming the text, let's create a pattern. Just click on edit and then select define pattern, and we're going to name it pattern 1 and click OK. Now let's go back to the image that we want to insert the watermark with, and then please click this one to add a new layer. So now that we have successfully created a new layer here, please go to Edit and then select Fill. So all you have to do now is to look for the pattern that we created. So click here and choose pattern and then choose this one and click OK. Now all you have to do is to copy these settings here so that your watermark will look like this. And once you're done copying the settings here, click OK, and then it will automatically add here on your image. Now all we have to do is to lessen the opacity. See? So once you're satisfied with the watermarks placement, save your image, go to File, and then click on Save As. And choose your preferred format, if it's JPEG, PNG, and etc. And once you're done saving, that's it. You now know how to add watermark in Photoshop. It's a simple but effective way to protect your images and make sure you get credit for your work when shared online. So before we wrap up, remember that a watermark should be visible enough to deter theft but not so overpowering that it distracts from your image's beauty. Finding that balance is key. So thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to add watermark in Photoshop. See you on my next video.